morning, ma'am. So this is my final requirements. Let's tackle about who invented the electric chair. So the electric chair was primarily invented by Alfred P. Southwick, a dentist from Buffalo, New York. In the 1880s, he began working on the idea of using electricity for executions after hearing about an accidental death involving a man who was killed quickly and seemingly painlessly by an electric generator. Southwick believes this method could be a more humane form of execution. So this is the picture, and key contributors: Alfred P. Southwick, credited with the original concept. Thomas Edison, directly involved. He supported the idea of using alternating current, or AC, to show how dangerous it was in his battle against rival inventor Nikola Tesla. Edison hoped this would discourage the adoption of AC power. Harold P. Brown, an engineer hired by Edison, who helped design the first electric chair. When was it first used? So the first execution by electric chair took place on August 6, 1890 at Auburn Prison in New York. The condemned man was William Kimmler, who had been convicted of murdering his common-law wife. The execution, however, was gruesome and did not go smoothly. It took 2 jolts of electricity and several minutes for Kimmler to die, which raised immediate ethical concerns. So why was it invented? To provide a more humane alternative to hanging, to demonstrate the dangers of alternating current as part of the war of current between Edison and Tesla, to modernize the criminal justice system with new technology legacy. The electric chair became a symbol of capital punishment in the US and was used throughout the 20th century. Though it has largely been replaced by lethal injection today. So that is our topic today, and that's all. Thank you.